Is my data safe on WhatsApp? Now, this is one question which keeps popping up, and it's actually become a riddle by now because no one is really getting a satisfactory answer to this question. Now, recently, WhatsApp updated and revised its privacy policy yet again, but recently, WhatsApp came up with a clarification that none of your personal data, none of your personal chats, none of your voice calls are going to be shared, and none of your data is going to be leaked anywhere. Everything is end-to-end encrypted. Now, even though WhatsApp has cleared the air on this, because of all these questions, there are two other messaging apps known as Telegram and Signal, which have come to light as well. So let's have a look at what these other messaging apps, what kind of features they offer and what kind of data they collect in return. So the first feature is end-to-end encryption. All the three apps provide this feature. Now in Telegram, normal chats are not end-to-end encrypted as they are on Signal and WhatsApp. But if you start a secret chat on Telegram, then it will be secured and will not get saved. Now Signal, on the other hand, goes one step further than the others and encrypts your metadata as well. To protect user privacy from all corners, Signal devised a new way to communicate between the sender and the recipient, and it's called sealed sender. Basically, with sealed sender, no one will be able to know, not even Signal, who is messaging whom. Now all three apps provide the group chat feature. WhatsApp has a limit of 256 members while Telegram has a limit of 2 lakh users. Telegram also offers multiple group specific features such as bots, polls, quizzes, hashtags and a lot more, which can make group experiences a lot more fun. As far as group voice and video calls are concerned, you can do those on all three platforms. WhatsApp is the only one with a stories feature. When it comes to data backup, WhatsApp provides a chat backup option on both Google Drive and iCloud. As far as Telegram is concerned, even there you can store your chats on Telegram's cloud drive, but in Signal you can do it on your device only. Telegram offers a unique feature of self-destructing messages like Snapchat, while WhatsApp and Signal provide the feature of disappearing messages only. Now, the best feature in Signal is Note to Self. Unlike WhatsApp, you don't have to create a single member group to send notes to yourself. On Signal, the feature is available natively and you can jot down your thoughts and ideas while messaging with your friends and family. And you can use the system chat window to do the same in Telegram. Now, as far as data collection is concerned, WhatsApp collects all of the data like your contact information, your device ID, etc. While Telegram only uses your personal information like contacts and your phone number. Signal, on the other hand, collects none of it. The only personal data that Signal stores is your phone number. So I'm sure by now you have a good idea about what kind of features each of these messaging apps is providing and what kind of data each one of these apps is collecting. So all in all, these are things that you cannot ignore anymore, so choose wisely.